This is the new M18 Cordless Mitre Saw. It's an internal bar system, so the bars are inside rather than going out the back, which keeps the saw very compact. The crosscut capacity is 270mm with a 60mm depth of cut. The saw will mitre 50 degrees to the left and 50 degrees to the right, and it will also bevel 49 degrees to the left and also -3 to the right. The saw also has a laser and a light, which is also fully adjustable. One of the nice things about this saw is the fact that it's very compact and portable, so you can lock it down very easy into a small package. The saw is very portable, it's very easy to carry around. We've added this top handle to make it easy to carry on and off site. You can even move it onto a scaffold if you want to. It only weighs 14 kilos.